Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So, Father's Day is right around the corner and this year we're not leaving that out. Today I'm going to show you how to easily personalize this glass gift set that'll surely make dad crack a smile. I have everything you need in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin, we're just going to start off with the blank canvas and Cricut design space. And we're going to go ahead and use this SVG that I purchased from So Sweet Paradise. I just purchased a couple of their monograms that I'll be using for today. So we're going to go ahead to upload. And upload this one. And then I'm just going to add some text. So I'm making this for my dad as his Father's Day present. His nickname is like Big Sam, so that's just what I'm going to go with. So this is the Cricut Sans font, and I'm just going to move that in there and just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to highlight everything and go to align. And let's just make sure, oh, wrong one. We're just going to make sure that the design is centered. So center horizontally, and there we go. So now that that is centered, we're just going to go down here and attach everything because I just want it all to cut out in one piece. I'm going to go ahead and unlock this box so I can change the dimensions. Now, the dimensions for the decanter that I'm using is about 3 by 6. So I'm just going to do about 2.75 by 3. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this about 3 times because I'm going to do the front and back of the decanter, and then I'm also going to do a glass cup. Okay, so now that we have everything, it all looks good, we can just go ahead and make it, y'all. And I'm just going to cut this out on some regular 651 vinyl. So once I have everything all cut out, I'm going to go ahead and reverse weed this design because it has such small lettering. And to reverse weed, you're basically just going to stick your whole cutout onto your transfer tape. And then you're going to pull the design away from the transfer tape. And doing this, make sure that all the small pieces are stuck to your transfer tape and you don't lose them when you're peeling off your vinyl. Once my design is weeded, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it onto my container. Once the vinyl is stuck, I'll just go ahead and slowly remove the transfer tape, just making sure I don't pull anything up with it. And honestly, guys, in my opinion, it looks super cute just like this, like just decorated with the vinyl. But if you did just want to decorate it with vinyl, just be mindful that those small letters and that thin line wouldn't really hold up to hand washing very well. So you would need like a thicker font. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and tape off the edges with some masking tape so that I don't get this cream everywhere because my painting skills are not as good as my crafting skills. And once I have everything all taped off, I'm just going to apply a super generous amount of etching cream all over the container and set it aside for about 5 to 6 minutes, even though the jar says 3 minutes, while I work on the cup. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I would totally love it if you gave your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys ever recreate anything I've ever made, I would love if you tagged me on Instagram or joined my crafting Facebook group. You can find me at j.Stewart'sLaboratory on all social media. Okay, and to do the cup, I just basically did the same steps as the container. I reverse weeded my design. I'm applying the vinyl to the cup, taping off the parts I don't want to get any etching cream on, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the etching cream and that's it for about 5 minutes while I work on the container. Now, this project was actually super simple and pretty fun, and I plan on doing this again, mostly because I had this big old jar of etching cream left over. So I'll definitely be gifting these out a lot. But all you do, you guys, is just rinse off the etching cream, peel away your masking tape and your vinyl, and you have like this super dope design. And I know it's hard to see right here, but of course I'll show you guys the finished product at the end of the video. But that is it, you guys. Pretty simple, pretty quick, and super fun. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.